Algebra 2, this is Chapter 4, Section 5. This is the fourth of 4 videos for the section, so the last video for the section. This is how you find the area of a triangle using determinants. Not one of the main points of determinants, but it's kind of a neat way to find the area of a triangle when you have no other way to go about it. So let's look at this triangle here. It's a triangle where the point AB, and so you have your point AB, point CD, and here's your point CD, and point EF, and here's point EF. And you're going to fill in that third column with ones. If you find the determinant of that matrix and multiply by 1/2, you are actually finding the area of a triangle. So let's go through an example for that, and this will be a pretty quick video. So here is my triangle. My vertices are 0, 1, and let's grab a pen. So area of my triangle is equal to 1/2 the determinant of, so it's 0, -1, and a 1 because we fill in that third row, -2, -6, and 1, and 3, -2, and 1. And I'm going to do diagonals on this one. So let me rewrite my matrix down here. So I've got 0, -2, 3, and then I've got -1, -6, -2, and then 1, 1, 1. Remember, I'm going to recopy my first column, so that's going to be a 0, -2, 3. I'm going to recopy my second column. That's a -1, -6, -2. I'm going to put in my determinant lines. So you can see where my original matrix or determinant started, and then where I copied my lines. Now I'm going to find my diagonals. 0 times anything is 0, so that one's 0. This one is 1 times 1 times 3, so that's going to be the -3 because of that negative sign right there. And this is a 2 times 2 is 4, times 1 is 4, 2 negatives make a positive, so that's 4. So I'm adding here. And we're going to go multiply my diagonals going up. So 3, 6, 1 would be a -18. So minus a -18 is a positive 18. 2, 1, 0, that's a 0. And 1 times 2 times 1, that's 2. 2 negatives make it positive, so that's a 2. So I'm going to minus my 2 over here. Bring that down here a little bit. So 0 plus -3 is going to be -3, plus 4 is 1, plus 18 is 19, minus 2 is 17. And the formula says take that determinant and multiply by 1/2. So 1/2 of 17. So the area of this triangle right here is 17 halves, which, 17 halves. And 2 goes into 17 8 times with 1/2 left over. So the area is going to be 18.5 units, whatever units we have squared, because area is a squared thing. And there I have my answer. I did get 8.5 square units. And again, that's just one way to use determinants, but it's not the main way. The next section we get to, we're going to use the determinants a lot, and you'll see how we're actually solving systems of equations using determinants here.